Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of the 2025 Isuzu Fargo van, a vehicle that's making a strong comeback in the light commercial and multi-purpose van segment. If you're a business owner, a van life enthusiast, or just someone looking for a reliable and practical ride, you'll want to stick around for this one. We're going to cover everything from the exterior design to the interior comfort, driving performance, and of course, the pricing. Let's start with the design, because the 2025 Isuzu Fargo has undergone some significant visual updates compared to its previous generations. Isuzu has managed to modernize the classic van silhouette while retaining the boxy, functional appeal that Fargo fans appreciate. At the front, the new LED headlamps are sleek and positioned high for better illumination and visibility in poor conditions. The redesigned grille has a cleaner look with a chrome finish on higher trims, giving it a more premium feel without being flashy. The bumper is more sculpted than before, integrating fog lamps and subtle air vents that improve aerodynamics just slightly, and yes, even a van can benefit from that. On the side, the Fargo's proportions are well balanced, with sliding doors that feel solid and are easy to operate. You get 15 or 16-inch wheels depending on the trim, and the wheel arches are slightly flared, giving it a confident stance. Isuzu offers a handful of practical color choices, mostly whites, silvers, and grays, clearly targeted at fleet and utility buyers, but there's a new deep blue metallic option that adds a touch of sophistication for private owners or customizers. Around back, the taillights are vertically stacked and now use LED lighting, and the rear doors open wide for easier loading, something delivery drivers will definitely appreciate. Stepping inside, the 2025 Fargo offers a cabin that blends durability with modern tech. The dashboard layout is clean and functional, made with high-wear plastics that are built to last but still feel decent to the touch. The steering wheel is slightly smaller than before and now comes with integrated controls for audio, phone, and cruise functions. Behind it, the instrument cluster features a mix of analog dials and a small digital display in the center, nothing flashy, but informative and easy to read. The infotainment system is a new addition to the Fargo lineup. A 7-inch touchscreen is standard in most trims, with built-in Bluetooth, USB ports, and smartphone mirroring. It's compatible with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a welcome upgrade from previous models that relied on old-school radios or aftermarket setups. Air conditioning controls are manual in the base models but go automatic in the top trim. There's plenty of storage, big door pockets, overhead shelves, and a spacious glove box, perfect for keeping tools, documents, or personal items organized. Seating is surprisingly comfortable, even in the base model. Isuzu has added extra cushioning and lumbar support in the front seats, and the driver's seat now comes with height adjustment. Depending on the configuration, the rear can be fitted with additional bench seats, ideal for shuttle services, or left open for cargo, making it incredibly versatile. Headroom and legroom are generous, which is expected in a van of this size, and visibility from the driver's seat is excellent thanks to the large windshield and tall seating position. Now let's talk performance. The 2025 Isuzu Fargo is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine that's both fuel-efficient and torquey, exactly what you need in a vehicle meant for hauling people or cargo. It puts out around 150 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque, mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission depending on the market and trim. Acceleration isn't blistering, but that's not the point. It's smooth and steady, and the power delivery is tuned for low-end torque,